Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to shorten URL links. So I have two websites to show you. One is bit.ly, right, which allows you to basically sign up for free, and basically if you want to get a plan, like maybe you want to shorten some of the links that you might use, you could just go ahead and sign up for free and then select your subscription. You can just get for the monthly the free trial or the free version, and you're gonna see right here the feature, right? You're gonna get 10 links a month, 1 custom landing page, 5 custom back halves, unlimited clicks, and QR code scans, and QR code customization, right? And here you're gonna be able to see the core, growth, and premium. So in my case, I'm gonna use this website, which is tiny URL, basic website, doesn't need a lot. You could just go ahead and let's have example. I want to copy my channel, so I'm gonna copy the link, right? And I'm gonna paste the link that I just copied. If you had a lot of like code and all that stuff, and you want to shorten it, you have a long link. Basically, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead, right, and then customize and shorten your link, right? And you're gonna see right here, you're gonna be able to see your URL being shortened, all right? And you're gonna copy the link and you're gonna just paste it, and you're gonna be able to access your channel, for example, right? This is an example. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.